Have you ever wished for a payment system that combined the stability of traditional money with the lightning-fast efficiency and transparency of cryptocurrency? A system where your digital dollars are as reliable as cash in your wallet, yet can be sent globally in minutes, 24/7, with minimal fees? If so, then you've probably imagined something very close to how Gemini Pay leverages the Gemini dollar, or GUSD, to revolutionize crypto transactions. For a long time, one of the biggest hurdles for widespread crypto adoption and everyday payments was volatility. Imagine buying a coffee with Bitcoin, only for the price to drop significantly a few minutes later, making your coffee effectively more expensive than you thought. Or, conversely, seeing the price skyrocket right after you spent it, leaving you with what-ifs. This fluctuating nature, while great for traders, made crypto impractical for routine purchases. This is where stablecoins like GUSD step in. GUSD, the Gemini dollar, is a stablecoin designed specifically to bridge this gap. It's an ERC-20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain, meaning it leverages the robust and secure infrastructure of Ethereum. But here's the crucial part: GUSD is pegged 1:1 to the US dollar. For every 1 GUSD in circulation, Gemini Trust Company, the regulated entity behind the Gemini exchange, holds an equivalent US dollar in reserve. This isn't just a promise, it's a commitment backed by regular, independent audits by a public accounting firm, BPM LLP, and is subject to the direct oversight and regulatory compliance of the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS. This level of regulation and transparency is a cornerstone of GUSD reliability and what sets it apart in the stablecoin landscape. So, how does this all translate into practical payments with Gemini Pay? Let's break down the mechanics. At its core, Gemini Pay is about enabling users to spend their GUSD and other cryptocurrencies for goods and services with participating merchants. The process is designed to be seamless, often mimicking the experience of using a digital wallet or a card in the traditional finance world, but with the underlying power of the blockchain. When you decide to use Gemini Pay, whether it's through the Gemini app or potentially integrated directly with a merchant's payment system, here's a simplified flow. First, you need GUSD in your Gemini account. You can acquire GUSD in a few ways. Direct deposit. You can deposit US dollars into your Gemini account and then convert those dollars into GUSD. Gemini mints new GUSD tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, precisely matching the US dollars you've converted, and holds those dollars in reserve. Crypto conversion. If you already hold other cryptocurrencies on Gemini, you can trade them for GUSD. This is essentially selling one crypto asset for GUSD, providing you with a stable asset to use for payments. External acquisition. You can also acquire GUSD from other exchanges or decentralized platforms and send it to your Gemini wallet. Once you have GUSD in your Gemini account, using Gemini Pay for a transaction is straightforward. When you're at a participating merchant, you'll typically select Gemini Pay as your payment method. This might involve scanning a QR code generated by the merchant or selecting Gemini Pay within an online checkout flow. Behind the scenes, when you authorize a payment with GUSD, here's what's happening. Authorization and deduction. Your Gemini account is debited the specified amount of GUSD for the transaction. This deduction is reflected almost instantly within your Gemini balance. On-chain recording. Indirectly, while the immediate deduction happens on Gemini's internal ledger, the underlying GUSD exists on the Ethereum blockchain. When you make a payment with GUSD, Gemini is essentially facilitating an off-chain transaction using your existing GUSD balance. For larger movements of GUSD, or when GUSD is transferred between different wallets or exchanges, these transactions are recorded directly on the Ethereum blockchain, maintaining transparency and verifiability. This means every GUSD token, its creation, and its eventual redemption back into USD is publicly auditable on the blockchain. Merchant settlement. The merchant receives the value of the payment. Depending on the merchant's setup, they might receive GUSD directly, or Gemini might instantly convert the GUSD into their preferred fiat currency, like USD, or another cryptocurrency, and then transfer that to the merchant's account. This conversion and settlement process is usually very quick, especially compared to traditional banking transfers that can take days. The beauty of using GUSD for payments lies in its stability. Because one GUSD always aims to equal $1, you don't have to worry about price fluctuations impacting your purchase. This makes it a far more practical digital currency for everyday spending than volatile assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But Gemini Pay isn't limited to just GUSD. While GUSD provides the stability, Gemini Pay can also facilitate payments using other cryptocurrencies held within your Gemini account. The process is conceptually similar. You select the cryptocurrency you wish to pay with, authorize the transaction, and Gemini handles the conversion and settlement with the merchant. This means you could, in theory, pay for your groceries with Bitcoin or a new gadget with Ethereum, all through Gemini Pay. However, it's important to understand the implications of using volatile cryptocurrencies for payments. If you use Bitcoin to pay for something, that transaction is considered a taxable event in many jurisdictions, including the U.S. Any gain or loss on the Bitcoin since you acquired it would need to be accounted for. This is where GUSD truly shines as a payment method. By being a stablecoin, it generally avoids the complexities of capital gains or losses on each transaction, making it more akin to spending traditional fiat currency from a tax perspective. The underlying infrastructure of GUSD on the Ethereum blockchain is also worth noting. Gemini has meticulously designed the GUSD protocol with a 3-layered smart contract system for enhanced security and efficiency. Proxy layer. This layer is the public interface, handling the creation and transfer of GUSD and providing governance capabilities, including the ability for Gemini to halt activities in the event of security or legal issues. Implement layer. This layer contains the core smart contract logic and operates only when instructed by the proxy layer. Store layer. This is the distributed ledger, directly communicating with the Ethereum blockchain to record user balances and transaction history, ensuring immutability and transparency. This architecture, while giving Gemini some centralized control to maintain the 1:1 peg and comply with regulations, also leverages the inherent security and transparency of the Ethereum blockchain. The monthly audits by BPM LLP further reinforced this transparency, verifying that the US dollar reserves held by Gemini indeed match the GUSD in circulation. These reserves are held in a combination of FDIC-insured bank deposits, money market funds, and short-term U.S. Treasury obligations, providing a robust backing for the stablecoin. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.